Hello, my name is Dailey Tipton. I'll be at the Remix conference in Orlando speaking about building health as measured by efficient operations. Buildings consume over 40% of all energy globally, and with that, they produce about 40% of all greenhouse gas produced in the world. In metro areas, in some areas, buildings have been measured as contributing more than 70% of all greenhouse gas within the metro area. That is considered to be larger than any other sector in the metro area. So it's really interesting phenomena that buildings are really hiding in plain sight and are huge emitters of greenhouse gas. Commercial real estate has really gotten focused on ESG in the past few I guess the last year or so, and it's become mainstream in the past few months, and people are really focusing in on ESG, environmental, social, and governance, and really looking at opportunities to decrease greenhouse gas production by buildings through commercial real estate. In my presentation, we'll define ESG. We'll define what does it mean and how does it impact buildings and buildings operations. We'll learn how ESG can play a role in efficiency and also increase value of the asset for commercial real estate. We'll look at regulations that are impacting buildings and building operations within metro areas and other areas within the United States, and really understand what those impacts mean. We'll look at the energy markets and how the market fluctuations can be an advantage and disadvantage as you manage the risk around purchased energy. And we'll also look at green energy opportunities. Then we'll delve into energy efficiency projects and programs for buildings and operations in order to drive down the cost of energy for operating the buildings and also the greenhouse gas produced. All of that rolled up, we'll spend a little bit of time talking about data management and reporting as well. We'll really cover a fundamental approach in order to be able to have actionable key takeaways that will allow the audience to have things that they can go home with that mean something, and will be able to apply when they get back to their building and their operations. Hope to see you in Orlando on the 11th of November.